Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we have to take a look at this option bar, and right in the middle we've got the timer option. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. We've got 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So in order to set it, all you have to do is to tap on it. So let me pick 10 seconds. As you can see here, we've got the information. The icon changed slightly also. So let's tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, this device will count down from 10. And after that time, it will simply take a photo. And the photo has been taken, so let's check another option. For example, 2 seconds delay, the same situation. And right now the device will count down from 2. Obviously you can turn it off, and then your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually this is it. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy M22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.